Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture, I will guide you how to make a house planning step by step in the dimensions of 20 by 20 feet. So this is a small house planning which total area is 400 square feet. This is 400 square feet total area. And size is 20 feet by 20 feet. If you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. Okay, so guys, the plot size is 20 by 20 feet. Width is 20 feet and length is also 20 feet. Okay, this is step by step how to make a house planning, guys. So let me make a boundary. This is a boundary wall, as you can see here. Okay, this is road side. Okay, this is road. Now guys, the wall thickness is 6 inches or 0.5 feet, you can say. Okay, now guys, you can see here, this is the main gate. Okay, this is the main entrance, which width is 3.5 feet. Okay, so here guys, you can see this is main entrance. This is main entrance, which width is 3.5 feet. 3 feet and 6 inches. Okay, this is road side. Next guys, here I will tell you that we have here 2 bedrooms. Okay, each bedroom size is 9 feet 3 inches by 9 feet and 6 inches. This is each bedroom size. As you can see here, wall thickness is 6 inches. Okay, so this is one door and this is the other door. This is the door for this one. Okay, next guys, you can see here, this is a kitchen. So this is bedroom. Size is, this is 6 feet, sorry, 9 feet and 6 inches. And here this dimension is 9 feet and 3 inches. Okay, size is same for both. This is the second bedroom. So here guys, you can see here this is main entrance. So this is stair hall. This is stair hall. Size is here, this stair hall size is 9 feet by 9 feet and 6 inches. Okay, this is the size of this stair. Okay, next guys, you can see in this stair hall, you can see these are steps. This is a stair for first floor. Which width is 3 feet. So this is for first floor. Okay, this is here up. The next one guys, you can see this is a kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 6 feet by 5 feet. 6 feet by 5 feet, and this is kitchen. Okay, if you see guys, the next one is here. This is open to sky, OTS, which size is 3 feet by 4 feet. Guys, you can see here, this is window for this kitchen, and this is the window or ventilation for this bath. So this one is bath plus toilet. Okay, which size is here, the toilet or the bath size is 5 feet 9 inches by 4 feet. Okay, as you can see here, so this is a planning. Next guys, you can see here this is the front side, so therefore you can see this is the window for this stair hall, and this is the window for this bedroom. Okay, because only the front is open and these 3 sides are closed. Okay, so here the size of the house is 20 feet by 20 feet, as you can see clearly. This is a roadside. Okay, so hope this short video can help you how to make a house planning in the dimensions of 20 by 20 feet step by step. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.